What's up, guys? Doing a warranty job on the 88 Vet. We put a master cylinder on it a little while ago. It's acting up, so we got one there. Got the sensor over to it. Just connecting lines on this. On bolts for the master cylinder. Make sure there's no fluid on the back side. Bolt that one in. Put some fluid in. Pump it. And bleed the master cylinder. And then hook up the lines. And Monday, we will be bleeding the brakes. So I'll show you with it off here. All right, old one's out. Grab this one. Right in, just like that. Not starting. That one. That one. We'll get that bolted down. We'll fill up some fluid and we'll do a little pumping.